Hi, this is Jalasmi Ngangbam and welcome to ISTV English News. First, the top stories. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS can become a deemed university, says Director Dr. Sekharjit. Inspects development projects at RIMS campus. Now the news in detail. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS can become a deemed university if applied to UGC, says Director Sekharjit. Deemed university is a status of autonomy granted to high-performing institutes and departments of various universities in India. This was stated during the inspection of various development projects under the Union Health Ministry. He said the construction work will be completed on time if there is no obstruction given. Director Sekharjit inspected newly constructed fencing wall, dental college building, equipments, boys and girls hostel, OPD building, PG ladies hostel, among others. RIMS Director Sekharjit further said there have been many changes at RIMS. New cutting-edge medical machines will be installed at RIMS, which will be a first time in the Northeast. He also said many units have been converted into departments, with many units on the pipeline to become a full-fledged department. He also informed that RIMS has been granted permission for paramedical science course. He said super specialist course is also available at RIMS. RIMS Director Sekharjit said development works at RIMS campus are at full swing so that they can apply for the deemed university status, which will benefit the people of the state.
RIMS High Institute si medical dang tambiram badagi MBBS tambiram badagi MBBS ki mathakta MD MS specialty course leire adi mathakta super specialty course MCS ki su leire MPhil course clinical psychology da leire adu natana itop topa college ama nursing college of nursing habam leire dental college am su leire adu ga paramedical course ki tambina ba college su hambai thum junjali adu na yamna thuna koi RIMS si deemed to be university adu gi status phangnaba UGC gi thora makhara tawbadu koi gi fulfill tawna honaraga koi apply tawraga degree so koi na pijaba ngamnaba adu ate course hangdokpa su khara line ba honana ba koi kan honajari Siga natana ministry na advice to bibadagi eco parliament amagi makhada established to institution like All India Institute of Medical Sciences degree leiba sigumba sigi groups de sanba yanaba so hoi kan hona jari bani either way eco parliament amagi makhada Linkatke Institute ki status to lahal labasu natraga deemed university magi makhada mo da lahal labasu hoi gi benefit ase immense benefit fangadori bani aduna masida pasiju hona nabai da makta as soon as the facilities are fulfilled,
Transporters and Drivers Council today handed over rupees 50,000 as assistance money to the family members of FCI truck driver Ningombam Gorbardhan, who was found murdered at Kohima on February 7th. A solemn function was held today at the office of the council and was attended by TDC President H. Ranjit, Secretary N.G. Haridas and all executive members. Also attending the press meet was H. Kulamani from the Drivers Union. A sum of rupees 50,000 was handed over to the wife of late Gorbardhan by TDC President H. Ranjit. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of JAC against murder of N. Gorbardhan, A. Dishanta said the JAC is thankful for the monetary assistance provided to the family member of late Gorbardhan. He also thanked the people of the state and the media for the support. He urged the public to support the JAC in further agitation.
Transporter Driver Council Nagaland gi Kulma da Hidaba Yamabu, Avapon the Giva Consitana, Pistana, Pupiraga, Hikalaka, Tambidana, the Hidrabagi Sadar Magi, Karamanano with the Mountain Hedana, Sinimatin Kiva, Anigaletana, JC, Paketi, Hagacho, Punukcheri, Penalena, and Sigi, Sina for Kunjanga Sida, Mating Pambira, Pasero, and Mating Pambira, and the Gia newspaper, Tanga, Nagina, Tangeli Bakuzan, Kudimakta, Mating Pambira. On the
14th of February, a Vishwa Santi Mahayagna and Sarva Shakha Veda Sammelan will be held at Govindaji Temple Palace Compound. The Vishwa Santi Mahayagna and Sarva Shakha Veda Sammelan are being organized in different parts of the country to achieve peace and well-being of the people. Their Holiness Sankaracharya Jayendra Saraswati Swamiji and Sankaracharya Vijayendra Swamiji of Kanchi Kamakoti Pittam, Kanchipuram are scheduled to arrive in Manipur for the event. Around 50 scholars from various parts of India like Puri, Kolkata, Varanasi will participate. The Sammelan, which will also be held at Senapati and More.
Bharat ki mafam kya da adu bharat ki mapanda su langa bu mafam da shanti purak na ba haidana viswa shanti jagya si tawbani Manipura andak lai si north east dai da Assam bhawa yobira me Manipur Imphal su khara chanin ta da lamni masida su jagya amtang viswa shanti ki jagya amtang tawragadi kananina haina khanbidana masigi pitam jina kanchi ki pitam jina lakbidana Manipura Imphal da tawbigadorni.
All India Navodaya Staff Association State Executive Committee Manipur launched its indefinite strike demanding 21 points. A sit-in protest was held today at JNV Yaralpat. The protest was attended by many teachers. Speaking to the media persons, Dr. L. Senajawa said the protest, which was scheduled to launch earlier, was postponed in view of the exams of the students. The demands include pension facility to the staff members, 10% special allowance, creation of PGT post in MIL, MSCPS to teaching staffs and others.
Government will from the PBU Haiduna started section Japanese, machine, Sipung, Togina, left to the Mutazagani, the demands it from the book class luxury. Aduga, I wait, Tabakate. School go but at a teacher to your zero had a senior point as she didn't protest my phone set of good visit. I could get the mount.
3 days after he was executed in Delhi, Afzal Guru's family received a letter this morning informing that he was to be hanged for his role in the 2001 attack on Parliament. On Saturday, Afzal Guru was hanged and buried at Tihar Jail in Delhi. Human rights activists have criticized the government for a multitude of lapses. The family's lawyers said the letter had not reached the family and that they were not informed of the execution or given the chance to meet Guru one last time as required by the law. Meanwhile, Kashmir has been tense since Afzal Guru's execution. Large part of the state remained under curfew. Internet and cable television services are suspended in some parts as a security precaution. As many as 14 companies of BSF were rushed to Kashmir Valley to counter any law and order trouble, even as the region remained under curfew for third day following hanging of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. 2 persons have died and at least 50 others, including 23 policemen, injured in clashes between the protesters and law enforcing agencies across the valley since Saturday. Afzal Guru, convicted of conspiring and sheltering terrorists involved in the strike on Parliament on December 13, 2001, was hanged after his mercy petition was rejected by President Pranab Mukherjee. At least 36 people were killed and over a dozen injured in a stampede following the collapse of an overbridge railing at Allahabad railway station on Sunday owing to the Kumbh Mela rush. The stampede occurred at 7 p.m. on Sunday at platforms number 5 and 6, where thousands of passengers, mostly Mahakumbh devotees, returning after taking the holy dip at the Sangam, had gathered to board a train. Several eyewitnesses said there was a lathi charge by the police that compounded the panic, but divisional railway manager claims that passengers were not baton charged and that police only attempted to regulate the movement of the crowd at the platforms by asking passengers to stand in line. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has expressed shock at the loss of the life in the stampede at the Allahabad railway station and issued instructions to Ministry of Railways to provide all necessary assistance to the affected persons. Now the top stories once again. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS can become a deemed university, says Director Dr. Sekharjit. Inspects development projects at RIMS campus. Join us with more news update. Till then, goodbye.